Hi, you're tuned into My Dad Says Audio. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Today we'll be taking a look at the Pioneer compact disc player PD-9700, which is a classic Pioneer CD player. It's pretty close to, there's might have been one or two models slightly higher, but apparently there's not much difference except there's a little bit more copper in the higher models. This one's pretty special. I'll just see if I can, it features the legendary stable platter, which inverts the disc, has the disc with the playing side facing up and the laser mechanism on top, and it is fully supported with it like across the whole surface area of the disc, similar to a turntable, I guess you'd say, an LP turntable. And this is quite a special one. As you can see now, it features one transformer for the analog section and one transformer for the digital. There's lots of copper, as you can see. It's all heavily shielded, and lots of high-end capacitors. I'm not sure, there's something shielded in there, copper shielding, and there's quite a bit of circuitry. It's a bit of a legendary player, as I said. I haven't heard it. It's not currently going. My dad and I think we've worked out what the problem is, so we're going to make an attempt at fixing it. I just thought it'd be worthwhile, to show you the gubbins inside. It will be, it's the transport that's the laser assembly specifically that's experiencing trouble. So yeah, we'll have to wait and see. What happened was my father was using it and it just suddenly stopped working, just didn't stutter or anything, just was working 1 second, next second it wasn't working. He heard something loose rattling inside the chassis, so he pretty cleverly worked out the lens has dropped off, because it's a bit different to a conventional CD player or disc player where the lens is on the bottom. It's kind of, with this, it's hanging suspended, so if over time, if the adhesive lets go, then you're going to lose your lens, and if you lose your lens, it's not going to work, which is pretty much what happened. I did kind of work out a way to carefully try and get the lens. I undid all the screws on the chassis, flipped it, and then slowly opened it, so if it fell, it would land inside the top of the chassis, the top cover. And I did that, and at first nothing came out, and I gave it a gentle shake, and I heard a little rattle, and there was this tiny little lens, and I thought, you beauty, we're one step closer to resurrecting this legendary machine. So, and it's got also little things that I quite like display dimming. I think, does it work? No, hang on. Oh, that's interesting too. I think you can set it for digital or analog, so you can either use it as a transport or a player. I think, I'm not sure. If you're 100% sure, let us know in the comments. But I'm really excited. And my dad he's a very generous guy. He's very kindly said, look, if we can get it going and I help you get it going, as long as you keep it and you don't sell it, you can have it. So I'm like, sure, you little beauty. It was originally approximately a $2,000 Australian player. So, it should sound pretty good. I've heard a few stable platter players, and they're all nicely made. It's a shame, it's a surprise that it didn't catch on further. I think a few companies used it, maybe Wardia or Theta, I can't remember exactly, but some other companies did use this mechanism in their players. I think Audio Alchemy, I think. I'm pretty sure I saw in a Michael Framer video, Audio Alchemy did it. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. Wish us luck with the repair. If it does get resurrected, we'll do a second video on the Sonics. All right, everyone. If this is your kind of content, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. All right, everyone. Until next time, have a good one. Bye.